Have you ever put your heart and soul into a project only to watch it fail completely and spectacularly? It is a painful experience. In English, we have a very vivid idiom to describe this specific kind of disaster. It is not just a failure, it is a dramatic failure. Welcome to today's lesson. We are going to master the idiom, crash and burn. First, let's practice saying it. Listen closely and repeat after me. Crash and burn. Crash and burn. One more time, crash and burn. Let's look at a story to understand this. Meet Tom. Tom was in a high-stakes business meeting. His boss looked at the sales figures and said, "If we don't fix this, the company will crash and burn." Tom, being new to English idioms, got scared. He looked around for smoke. He thought the building was actually going to catch fire. He didn't realize it was just a figure of speech. So, what does it really mean? Literally, crash and burn refers to a vehicle, like a race car or plane, crashing and catching fire. It is violent and destructive. Figuratively, in business or life, it means to fail suddenly and completely. Usually, it happens to something that started with high energy or high expectations. Let's look at example 1. The startup crashed and burned within months. This means the new business failed quickly and totally. Example 2. His audition for the movie crashed and burned. Imagine he forgot his lines and tripped on stage. That is a crash and burn. Example 3. The project crashed and burned due to poor planning. It didn't just fade away, it failed dramatically because it wasn't ready. Here is a way to remember it. Picture a fast paper airplane. It flies high, but then, bam, it hits the floor. That sudden stop is the crash. A fun fact, this term comes from aviation and motor racing. It reflects a culture that values high risks. When you take big risks, you might win big, or you might crash and burn. Similar idioms include go down in flames or bite the dust. But crash and burn implies a lot of energy was involved before the failure. Be careful. Don't use this for small mistakes. If you spill your coffee, you did not crash and burn. You just made a mess. Save this idiom for big disasters. Quiz time. Question 1. Does crash and burn mean a small mistake? A, yes. Or B, no. Take a moment. The answer is B, no. It refers to a large, dramatic failure. Question 2. Which sentence is correct? A, my soup crashed and burned, or B, the business merger crashed and burned. Correct is B. A business merger is a big event that can fail spectacularly. Soup is just soup. To recap, use crash and burn for spectacular failures. It adds emotion and drama to your English stories. Thank you for watching. Write a sentence using crash and burn in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.